panguva ino yeZANU-PF aiwa muri kubvira muri kupisa. Tona inobuda nyuka tsamba ichinzi, I read this letter to your attention seeking a legal intervention pertaining to the utterances made by Comrade Mutsvangwa to VP Chiwenga of the ZANU-PF party. The statements made, which are awash on social media, denigrating VP Chiwenga, affects the reputation of the party and the first secretary, since Comrade Mutsvangwa is a party spokesperson and everything that he says binds the party. As a concerned cadre, the effects of such utterances has got negative bearings which poses a security threat. In fact, he seems to imply the president is above the law and can interfere with issues before the courts. Honorable CDG and Chiwenga as a presidential appointee, and the attacks by Comrade Mutsvangwa might seem as if President has made a mistake in appointing him, in which is also a direct attack on President Mnangagwa. We have lower level cadres who were expelled from the party due to purported social media abuse. I strongly advocate for a corrective action against Comrade Mutsvangwa. Such actions should be strongly condemned, as they undermine the authority of Comrade Chiwenga and cause serious divisions within the ZANU-PF party. National and West Province leadership cannot look aside at this gross indiscipline. We hope and trust that your office shall take this matter with the importance and urgency it deserves. Yours comradely, our comrade Gifford Gomwe. Samba our unionera panapa tuna kuti our the First Secretary Mtukamiri wenyika enyoregwa pamwe chete VP Chiwenga, vana Muhadhi, vana Chinamasa, vana Obete Mpofu nalafu Mumatuke. Ndo yatukona kuti aiwa tsamba panguva ino yotoenda pa social media iri kupisa panguva ino. Ndiona kuti aiwa chabvondoka panguva ino. Tudze mafukuro enyu mati kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pabvina comment section medu tudze mafukuro enyu. So subscribe or like channel on the bell.